Welcome back to our C programming tutorial series. In this episode, we are going to explore how to create a simple C program that pins the alphabet in reverse, starting from C and ending with A. So let's break down the code and understand each part of it. Our program is structured in two sections. The first section is the declaration of our function ft_pin alphabet. The second is the main function, which is the entry point of our program. We began with the declaring the function of ft alphabet first here. So the function is this function is decided to pin the alphabet in reverse order without taking any parameter or return a values. So moving on to the implementation of ft_pin alphabet, we declare a character variable lambda set here and initialize this with the 1 to 2 the ASCII value of set. So the goal to pin the character from set back to A utilizing the ASCII table. Inside the function, we use a while loop that continues as long as set is greater than 96, the ASCII value before A. This ensures that we cover all lowercase letters in the reverse order. Within the loop, we employ the while function to output each character to the standard output. The while function requires 3 parameters. The first parameter 1 indicated that we are writing to the standard output. The second parameter is a pointer to our character C, and the third parameter is the numbers of bytes to write. Since we are dealing with the single characters, we specify this value as 1. After pinning the character, we decrement set by 1. This moves us to previous characters in the alphabet according to the ASCII value. The loop continues until we have pinned all the letters from Z down to A. In the main function here, we simply call ft_pin alphabet to execute our function that pins the alphabet in reverse. So after the function call, we return 0 to signal the successful completion of our program. So that's what of our tutorial on how to pin the alphabet in reverse using a simple C program. So this example has shown you how to work with ASCII value using the while function and control the flow of your program with loop. Thank you for your tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming contents. Until next time, happy coding!